Here is the question. Tangent of A upon 1 minus cot of A plus cot of A upon 1 minus tangent of A equals to 1 plus tangent A plus cot of A. First, consider the left hand side. Left hand side is tangent of A upon 1 minus cot of A plus cot of A upon 1 minus tangent of A. We know that cot of A is equal to 1 upon tangent of A. Cot and tangent are reciprocal of each other. So, left hand side will become tangent of A upon 1 minus 1 upon tangent of A plus 1 upon tangent of A upon 1 minus tangent of A. Now take the LCM. Tangent of A upon LCM is tangent of A, tangent of A minus 1 plus 1 upon tangent of A 1 minus tangent A. Now we have tangent square A upon tangent A minus 1 plus 1 upon tangent A into 1 minus tangent of A. Take minus sign out from here. So left hand side is tangent square A upon tangent A minus 1 minus 1 upon tangent A into tangent A minus 1. Now again we will take the LCM. So LCM is equal to tangent of A into tangent of A minus 1. So we have tangent cube A minus 1. 1 can be written as 1 cubed. So this is now your identity A cubed minus B cubed. And A cubed minus B cubed is equals to A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. So this is equals to tangent A minus 1 into tangent square A plus 1 plus tangent of A upon tangent A into tangent A minus 1. Tangent A minus 1 and tangent A minus 1 will cancel out. So we are left with tan square A plus 1 plus tangent of A upon tangent of A. So now we will solve it further. Tangent square A upon tangent of A plus 1 upon tangent of A plus tangent of A upon tangent of A. So tangent A and tangent square A. So one tangent A will cancel out. So we are left with tangent A. 1 upon tangent of A is cot A plus tangent and tangent cancel out. So you have 1. So this can be further written as 1 plus tangent A plus cot of A, which is our right hand side. So left hand side and right hand side both are equal to each other. Hope this answered your question. So let's crack it.